Creating an individual education plan, IEP, is a crucial process for supporting children with learning disabilities or special education needs. This plan ensures that every student receives the tailored support they need to succeed in the classroom. In this video, we'll walk through the key steps to create an IEP that is both effective and meaningful. Step 1. Understand the legal framework. First, it's important to understand that an IEP is not just a document, but a legal requirement. Under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, schools are mandated to create IEPs for students who qualify for special education services. This means the IEP process must be thorough, collaborative, and compliant with the law. Step 2. Gather information and assess the child's needs. Before creating an IEP, gather all the assessment data on the child. This includes academic assessments, teacher observations, medical evaluations, and any previous IEPs or reports. These data points help you understand the child's strengths, weaknesses, and unique needs. Involve parents in this step to gather important insights about their child's home environment, preferences, and concerns. Understanding the whole child, both academically and socially, ensures that the IEP is comprehensive and truly supportive. Step 3. Set SMART goals. The heart of any IEP is the goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Goals should be personalized to each child's needs and should target areas where the child needs the most support. For example, instead of a vague goal like improve reading, a SMART goal would be read 50 words per minute by the end of the semester with 90% accuracy. Each goal should have clear objectives and be tied to the child's overall academic, social, or behavioral development. This makes progress easy to track and adjust as needed. Step 4. Identify the services and supports needed. Next, identify the services and accommodations that the child needs to reach these goals. This might include specialized instruction, like reading interventions and speech therapy, accommodations, like extra time on tests or seating arrangements, assistive technology, like text-to-speech software, and behavioral supports, like counseling or social skills groups. Be sure to specify how often and where these services will take place, whether in the general education classroom, a resource room, or through pull-out services. Step 5. Develop a plan for monitoring progress. An IEP isn't static. It's important to establish a clear plan for tracking progress. This includes determining how progress will be measured, for example, through tests, teacher observations, work samples, and how frequently the child's goals will be reviewed. Regular meetings with parents, teachers, and special education staff ensure that everyone stays on the same page about the child's progress and any adjustments needed. Step 6. Communicate and collaborate with the team. Creating an IEP is a team effort. Teachers, special educators, school administrators, and parents should all work together to develop a plan that best supports the child. Involving the child, when appropriate, helps them understand their goals and take ownership of their learning. Communication is key. Be sure to set regular check-ins to keep parents informed and to review how well the strategies and services are working. Step 7. Review and revise the IEP. Finally, the IEP should be reviewed at least annually to ensure it's still meeting the child's needs. If the child is making progress in meeting their goals, the IEP can be updated with new objectives. If not, it's time to revise the plan to better support the child. Remember that the IEP should evolve with the child's development. It's a living document designed to support the child's educational journey. Twinkl's Editable IEP Template. If you're looking for an easy-to-use template to create your own IEPs, Twinkl offers a customizable and editable IEP template that makes the process even more streamlined. It includes all the key sections, like goals, services, and progress monitoring, so you can personalize it to suit each child's needs. With this resource, you'll be able to create an IEP that helps your students not only meet their goals, but thrive in the classroom. Thanks for joining us! For more information and resources related to IEPs, head to twinkl.com.